Hi, my name is Zach and I'm the founder of Learniverse. I'm super excited to show you how easily you can create e-learning on any topic in less than 5 minutes. So when you land on the landing page, you'll first be able to click on Get Started for free and create your account. Once you do so, you will start our onboarding, and the first thing you'll be able to do is create your learning group. So let's say I want to create a compliance group 1 for my employees. I can name it, provide a description if you'd like, and then create group. Then I can immediately add learners to my group. So let me add the first learner, like this, and send invite. So Learniverse will automatically send an email invite to your learners, and then you will land on our very intuitive learning dashboard. And the first thing you'll be able to do is create your first e-learning path. So let's create one together. So I actually want one created based on a website. So I actually want to create a ISO 17025 course. So let's take this Wikipedia, for example, add it to our link, load the URL next, and then we'll be able to customize our e-learning as we wish. So introduction to ISO 17025 course for beginners. You can change the grade level, you can change how many modules, let's change it to 2, for example. You can change the time, the language, and the difficulty. And then you'll be able to generate a dynamic outline based on the different links that you loaded in and your different topic. So as you can see, our AI generates a outline for you, which you can edit. So for example, I'd like this one to be in 3rd, and the rest is fine. Let's create the learning path. And now you will land on our learning path editor, and you'll be able to generate the path using AI. So this process takes a few seconds, can take up to 60 seconds, but usually it takes only a few. So you just wait here, and then you'll be able to view your generated path. So many different interactive components were generated based on your topic, a text learning content, multiple choice question, a relevant video Q&A that you can actually directly fetch on YouTube and generate the Q&A. You can also change this YouTube link and put your own links. So all of the content is generated here. You can also add other sections. Let's say I want to add a new topic explanation. I can add it here. I can also generate it with AI. What is the main importance of accreditation? So let's generate it with AI, for example. And Learniverse AI will take all of the information that you provided, all the documents, and it will generate a section for you. So once you're satisfied, you can publish your e-learning. You can either quick publish, which allows you to have a link that is available to anyone, or you can just privately publish it to the group we created earlier. So let's do that. And once the link is ready, you can actually preview it. So let's do that. Let's preview. And that is the learning dashboard that all of your learners will have access to, and will be able to go through the learning path. So once the user finishes the path or sections of the path, he will be able to track their progress. They'll be able to continue as well. But let's go back to our group, and here you'll be able to track all the progress of the different learners. So for example, this learner that we just added, you'll be able to track the completion, remove or add other students.